Once, in Pohnpei, a boy liked to visit small islands. He liked to climb trees, to capture birds. Hey, Now, one particular day, the boy took his captive bird and a ripe coconut, and he set off for the reef. And there at the reef, he met a friendly turtle. Now, the boy asked the turtle if she would carry him to his home island. The kind turtle readily agreed. So, the boy, he released his captive bird, climbed onto the shell of the turtle. The turtle and the boy slid off onto the wave. The turtle and the boy traveled a long distance. The boy felt hungry, so he asked the turtle if he could open his coconut on her hard shell. The kind turtle readily agreed. But instead, the boy smashed the coconut on the turtle's head. The boy roared with laughter. The turtle, hurt, slipped under the water, leaving the boy floundering. The turtle felt sorry for the boy. So the turtle let the boy climb back onto her shell. The turtle came to a coral reef where she asked the boy to climb down. But the boy refused, saying, no, there's too many shells around here. So the patient turtle continued on. Soon she came to a dry bank in the reef where she once again asked the boy to please climb down, but the boy refused again, saying, no, there's too many crayfish around here. Finally, the turtle carried the boy all the way up onto the shore, one scoop at a time, until at last the boy climbed down. The boy called to the demons of the island, "Come eat!" The demons seized the turtle and dragged her up onto the shore. Some grabbed stones for an oven, others gathered firewood. Two of the demons flipped the turtle, ready to cut into her entrails. The frog turtle begged the demons to stop. The demons laughed. The boy giggled. So the ever-helpful turtle told the demons to remove her entrails near the ocean to ensure a salty flavor. The demons adored the idea. They thanked the turtle as they carried her to where the water was deep. And there, the turtle slapped at the water with her strong fins and escaped into the deep ocean. The demons roared in frustration. The boy roared with laughter. So the demons ate the boy.